Alright, we're folding for this waterfall bench, so we're using a 2-inch V-groove bit in the router. We're making a V-groove in this. We're leaving about a heavy 16th, light 1/8 of cap. So we want to get through that core and just kind of expose that acrylic cap. This is Eva-last Pioneer. It's a PVC bamboo composite. We're running multi-width decking here. So I've made this sled. I have my 7.5-inch board and my 5.5-inch board. And then this is my guide. This is where the V-groove is going to be cut. These I can just tighten and loosen, so I can drag my board out and then clamp them in place. So loosen here, send it to the stop block. I'm going to pin this side. We're not even worried about these screws right here. We're just going to pin this side. Basically, you want to let the board tell you when it's ready. I like to preheat the back a little bit. So let's do a quick preheat on the back. I'm going to flip it over. And as I heat it, let's see if I can show the camera this without putting my arm in the way. I'm just going to evenly apply heat back and forth. It's going to take a second for it to get warmed up. We don't want to torch the cap. We just want to let the board bend as it heats up by its own weight. Now eventually it's going to stop bending because it's going to get to the point where it's hanging enough that it doesn't want to fully go 90 degrees. But we got it warm enough now. We're just going to flip it over, finish it by hand. We got some Titebond PVC trim adhesive. Just going to open it up, put a bead in there, and close it. Now, this is not a 2-part glue. It has an accelerator, but we're not using the accelerator because if I try to glue one side and spray it on the other side, it's going to cure up the glue that's not pressed yet, and it's going to hold my joint out. But this will make a nice square miter. Backwards. It's going to be our bench. It's a waterfall detail on our bench. Just like that. It's going to kind of flow right down the wall and just like that. Yeah. So 45 more to go.